Hey folks, how you doing? I'm your main man Dave Shannon with Impression Fifth Wheels by Forest River. We're super excited about our 2023s that are rolling off the line currently. And this one right here, this is the 280 RL. The RL stands for rear living, so sit back, enjoy the ride. Hey folks, how we doing? We're moving inside of the coach here, the 280 RL. As you notice right away, lots of space. You got two opposing slides here, gives you a ton of room. You got your kitchen here, you got your nice living area back here. We'll start with the nice theater seats, which are directly in front of our entertainment system, which just makes for a better camping experience. Soundbar by Furrion. We also have our fireplace here that kicks out a lot of heat. And you have a nice light here that changes colors, really sets the tone. Also, moving to the back of the coach here, you can see we have a nice sofa. That's a sleeper sofa, so it pops out. Really, really comfortable, opposed to those jackknife ones that you've seen in the past. Lots of storage area here. Storage is the name of the game. You got plenty of it up top here. Also, you have little resting benches, which is nice, with tons of outlets, USB, and you have this nice big window in the back. Camping's all about, being outdoors and viewing nature and just being out there. So that really helps with all these big panoramic windows that you see. Really makes a nice bright coach when you're out and about. As you notice, it's really roomy in here, really cozy. We have a new decor. I think it matches well, and it's really, really cool and comfortable. You have a nice dinette table here with 4 chairs, extender leaf that comes out. Really nice, in my opinion. You have a 12-volt Furrion refrigerator here, which is green. A lot of people are moving towards that. We also have a nice deep space in the back. It's 11 cubic feet. We also have a nice island here, plenty of counter space. You have a nice single basin stainless steel sink with a residential faucet with a nice sprayer on there. Really cool. Moving along to this side of the coach, you notice we have your 3-burner stove with a glass countertop. Again, extending that counter space is the key. Have a nice little gray stone fan, which really kicks out the heat if you have some, or fumes. And notice that window in there too, which is key. I want to point that out because, if you're cooking bacon or eggs, you can crack that window, get a little cross ventilation, you won't smoke everybody out. Tons of storage up here too as well, want to mention that. Also have your gray stone microwave, which is pretty slick. But moving along to here, this is kind of the star of the show. People are always looking for more storage. Magnetic pull, awesome. You got a light, sensitive light that turns on when you open it up. Pretty cool. Look at all that storage. Unbelievable. And don't forget about the ones up top as well. All right, folks, moving on to the bathroom that we have here. As you can see, we have this huge spacious shower. We have a nice shower head here that you can use to your advantage. We also have a nice skylight here for some of the taller folks that are out there. Gives you a little extra headroom, which is nice. I want to point out as well, we have a quick flush porcelain toilet, which is nice and sturdy, big boy approved like myself. I always have to throw that in there for my big boys out there. Moving along, we got a nice storage underneath the sink, perfect little slot for towels or maybe a trash, something like that. You have a nice medicine cabinet, which works well, towel rack, and you also have a GFI 110 outlet. All right, folks, now we're in the front of the coach up here. We have your nice bed. It's a 60 by 80, super comfortable. Gets a plenty of room here. A nice walk around queen, as you notice. You got tons of storage on both sides of the bed. Pretty cool totes there as well. Notice our automotive sealed windshield up front lets a lot of that natural light in, less claustrophobic, and that way you can kind of see some views from your campground. Also, if you notice, we have 2 little shelves on both sides as well. Perfect for a CPAP machine, alarm clock, or you can plug your phone in. We also have a nice wardrobe slide over here, as you can see. Tons of storage with totes underneath as well. And we also have a closet over here which has a washer dryer prep. So if you wanted to put a stackable washer dryer in there, it's already wired to go, so you're good to go there. If you notice, you have a 13.5 AC unit up there, which is nice. It'll keep you nice and chilly on those hot summer nights. All right, folks, now we're outside of the coach here. Notice the gel coat cap won't oxidize or fade, you know, like an old barn on the side of the road. You also have a nice automotive sealed windshield, lets a lot of that natural light in. Really a cool situation for sure. Moving along here, you got your 4-point auto leveling system. One push of the button, it'll auto level everything for you. Just makes a nice camping experience overall. Over here, we're sitting on Goodyear tires. Those are the Endurance brand. Best in the business as far as towing. You also have nice aluminum rims that look sweet. I love them. You got a nice big awning here as well. LED lights, so you know when you're out here on the patio enjoying a nice you know, dinner with your family, kind of illuminates everything. Really cool. Notice we have the marine grade speakers here as well. Keeps the water out, keeps the critters out. You also have the cable inlet right here as well. And you also have a plug if you want to plug a TV into as well. Tons of storage, name of the game. Hey folks, again, I'm your main man, Dave Shannon with Impression Fifth Wheels by Forest River. Hey, thanks for walking through the 280 RL with me today. Had a great time. 2023s, we're super excited about it. Come check us out on our website. It's forestriverinc.com/impression. Hopefully we made a great impression on you today.